स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? होप यू आर फाइन। आज हम करेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आई थ्रू एन एक्टिविटी। देयर आर सम an article and also there are some suitable be form verb and there are some adjectives or noun and there are some noun or pronoun. Let's start the activity. I am going to take an adjective called happy. Now I am going to paste it. I am going to take I and what is suitable be form verb is no. Am always like I. Am always like I. I am happy. I am happy. And the next sentence is I am going to take one card of I and paste it. And next one card of suitable be form verb am. I am. Now I am going to take an adjective card tall. I am tall. I am tall. And the next sentence is I take one I and choose suitable be form verb am. I am. And also find article a. I am a. I am going to take a noun card woman. I am a woman. I am a woman. I am a woman. First sentence I am happy and the next I am tall and the next sentence is I am a woman. And I take I and paste it. And next choose suitable form be form of verb am. I am. And I am going to take an noun card doctor. I am doctor. I am doctor. And the next sentence is I take one card of I and choose and also choose suitable be form verb and I am going to take a noun card teacher. I am teacher. I am teacher. And the last sentence is I am a student. I am a स्टूडेंट। ये थी आज की वीडियो। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।